Welcome back to the channel, Peace and Nature. My name is Easy Glaze, and this is how we kept our pool nice and clean the whole summer. My crazy wife, I thought she was just anal in the beginning, so we played our roles. I said, I'm gonna build the pool, and she was in charge of keeping the pool clean as far as chemicals and stuff. So this was her idea. Okay, bud. This was her idea to put the tarp on every night when we was done with the pool. And then in the morning, we take it off. So that's what we're gonna do now. And crystal clear water. We'll put on the filter now. We turn off the filter at a roughly, basically before we go to bed. So we do not have the filter going overnight. And yeah, so the trick was putting the tarp every night. And this little puck right here that holds the Clorox puck. Let me see if I can open it. Okay, these are the Clorox pucks that we use. They're Clorox tabs. This is the pH sticks to check the pH levels. That's what we used. You can find that on Amazon. Baking soda and a pool vacuum. Okay, so like I said, every night you put the tarp on and unplug your pool filter. Then in the morning, you take your tarp off, plug in your pool filter, right? Now, again, all we have is the pucks. Now we'll check the pH level, or at least my wife would. She'll check the pH level, I guess, once a week. And if it's low, all she did was add some baking soda and it would bring the pH level back to where it needs to be. If the pool was dirty on the bottom, pool vacuum. Get the pool vacuum, little robot, and it goes around. That's it. Do a little skimming. See a couple bugs there. We haven't been in the pool. But we haven't been in the pool for maybe over a week now because the temperature has been real cool. And look at this water. It's still crystal clear. You can see the diamonds at the bottom. There's no algae, no nothing. Okay, guys. So it's simple. You don't need shock throughout the summer. I built this pool in June. We're in September now. No shock at all. This is the easy way to keep your pool clean throughout the summer.